Ready to level up? Today, we're conquering 10 fruits and vegetables. How many can you guess? Let's go. What is this? Mango. Tropical twins with yellow flesh. What is this? Pineapple. Both are spiky on the outside. What is this? Cherry. Small red fruits with stems. What is this? Pear. Similar size, but different shape. What is this? Coconut. Hard, round, and heavy. What is this? Broccoli. Looks like a green tree. What is this? Potato. Grows in the ground. What is this? Sweet potato. Both are long root vegetables. What is this? Onion. Both have many layers. What is this? Cucumber. Long, green, and watery. Incredible. Now, prepare for the final boss stage. Let's go. Keep building your confidence. See you in the next flight.